We got a tire. Got a nail in it, very close to the leading edge. We still could put a plug in it. First step is to fill. You get as much pressure as you can, make that plug easy to do. Put a little water on before and after, and look for the bubbles. So we're bubbling, as you can see. Got a leak. These are those inexpensive tire patches that you can get anywhere. You're going to need some rubber cement, which mine is all dried out. You're going to prepare everything before you do anything. You're going to peel off the best you can. This is sticky. Like a needle and cord. You're going to thread. Halfway. Put it to the side. This is the nail. Do your best to get it out, but put a mark with whatever you got. Rubber and screws are the best. They grip. So I'm going to have to just work this out by twisting. As you work it in, it's not easy. It's difficult. That's why you pay somebody 25 bucks to do this. Go in as far as you can go. The trick now is to twist and pull out. Twist and pull out. It's gonna plug up. Take your scissors and just cut off. You're going to have thump, 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 thump until this disappears. There are no bubbles, hardly lost air. Plugs are not safe. Patches are. Tubes are the safest. They protect you all. They don't want to sell you a tube today for the reason of get rid of those patches and get rid of those plugs, man. You know that's the best in the world. This is a temporary repair. It'll last. But the problem is, it's too close to the leading edge to put a patch. They will put a plug. That is how a plug is done. Take your time. The only step I skipped was reaming a large hole for a plug. I don't need to do that when strength is behind you, that went through correctly. You may differ, but you have to know. This is called the unconventional way of repairing a tire with a plug. Did you get that part? I don't think so. On that note, I'm Fish, your how-to guy, and I see you on many other videos. Oh, I know you want to see the start of taking it off and the end of putting it on. The main part is plugging.